In Paris 2015, the countries of the world came together and agreed on the goal to avoid dangerous rises in global temperatures. But although many of the practical solutions are already here, there is still a deep gap between what is needed and what the global community has actually agreed to do. Why is it that in spite of all concern, knowledge, and the handshakes at international meetings, we are still on track to irreversible climate change? Many of the arguments about climate change revolve around numbers and models that emphasize the harsh reality of the rapid transformations that are needed in order to avoid frying the planet. But is that enough to inspire action? In this course, we will explore how climate change is not merely a scientific problem, but entangled in a web of social, political, and economic relationships. What new forms of cooperation, management, and leadership are needed to deal with the unprecedented complexity of the situation? We will hear from world-leading scientists and practitioners connected to Uppsala University's Climate Change Leadership Node, and engage in discussion with course participants from all over the world.
We all have potential here to be agents for change, for people that drive change. I think if we are going to rely on some benevolent, incredibly intelligent person to tell the rest of us what it is we need to do, then we will fail on climate change.
There's so much work to be done. There's a huge amount of possibilities for places to plug in. It's going to take everybody, basically. And so I think leaders are those people who are out there now trying to make a difference.
Throughout this course, the interdisciplinary group of guest lecturers, selected readings, and discussions with peers will form the foundation to work on a climate change challenge that concerns you. What part will you play?